or so. We're just zapping up sheets here. This wasn't done previously. I don't know why. I do not know. I don't think I've shown it before, so I thought I better. It's quite important. Quite important for the structure of things. The owner wanted a little bit more timber in there for the mirror, so yeah, he supplied the timber, so he had it, so easy to pop it in, easy peasy. Right, I've marked that tap. Let's just bash a bit of a hole for the shower. Like so. A few nails in my pocket. Hit the camera then. Yeah, get that. Buzz off wire. That's good stuff because I haven't even put a nail in and it's staying up there. So that's good. Now it won't fall. I like it. Just don't put a nail through a pipe, Chriso. Go over to the right. I didn't sight it up well enough. Once I've got all the sheets up, I can slap a few more nails in. Nice one. Right, I'll measure that. where to put my tape. So let's go give it a little bit of room. 1780. $17.80. Nice one. All right, I'll go out, cut them. Come back to you shortly. This is Chris O. Stay tuned, everyone. We'll show you how to build a bathroom. Tile it, screed it, floors, walls, the works. Stay tuned, we'll see you soon. G'day people. Right, I've sheeted it today, done the ceiling. I'm ready for my mud tomorrow. So I'll go and pick it up, and I'll be straight into it in the morning, and then wait a couple of days and I'll be back to waterproof it, and we're home and hose. It'll be another day in the progress of another bathroom. So I'll measure it up. I'll just pop this on my head. Hang on, bear with me people. Okay, so what is it, 18? So say 2. It's about 2 by 3. Yep. So it's 6 square meters. 6 square meters is, I want a 30mm bed. I've got to cut that off and get it down a little bit, that puddle flange. I'll get it flush, and once I've done that, we're laughing. So yeah, tomorrow will be an exciting day because it's a little bit of a tricky set out with the shower being in the middle, but we'll get there, and we'll see you soon. Ciao.